We are here on Captiva Island shelling. Robert is motioning me over. Sun is setting. And he's so good. He's going to try to trick me. Hot and cold. Are we talking about this nice one right here? That is a very nice one.
And then there's one right there.
Oh, I can't reach it. Okay. We always find shells in threes. So where
It's the third one.
is the third one?
That's not it.
A shell, a shell. A shell, a shell, a shell. Okay, well, I've been bending down too much. Alright, so this is Captiva Island. It is August 1st. It is our 11th anniversary, wedding anniversary. Probably mentioned that several times if you've been watching my videos. Sorry for lecturing, we know that already. This is a great trip so far. We're here right now tomorrow, but today is beautiful. That sun looks absolutely beautiful right there. Totally beautiful. So, all over the park, this is not a park, there are signs that say maintain social distancing. If you're indoors here on South Sea, you have to wear your face mask, like when you go indoors to the restaurants or to the gift shops. But when you're outdoors, you don't have to wear your masks, but you're supposed to stay 6 feet apart, so not indoors. Definitely have people not following that on the beach. Yeah. That's when you just start squawking like a bird, saying 6 feet, 6 feet, and then they look at you strangely and walk off. That's the trick. That's what you do. You make weird bird sounds. They will run away from you. So anyway, it is extremely low tide. Not that many shells out there. This old high tide line, we are finding lots and lots of goodies. So many goodies.
I have to find 2 more.
Oh, here's 3. That's 3 right there. Oh, can I have a drink of water?
No.
Let me have a drink of water. I'll give you a
It's
bar.
warm.
It's bar, it's tea. How did that water get so warm?
I know.
Remember, when you're walking the beach, stay hydrated. First thing we do when we get off that plane is we go to a store and buy a case of water for our room. And I will have to say, it's day 2. We're already halfway through our case. I'm surprised I'm not like 20 pounds of water weight. I'm drinking a lot more water than I normally do. But it's very important to drink lots of water when you're at the beach. Too long. Sun? Moon. Are they waving at the moon? What are they doing? Sun. Green flash. It's called the green flash, honey. Green flash. Like Flash Gordon. The Green Lantern. I don't know. What is it again? I think I'm confused. DC comic book. I don't know. I think it's the Green Flash. So this we have found. Oh my god! How did I get so much sand in there? Anyway, there it goes. It's disappearing on us. It only did that on the Caribbean. Sorry, I've seen that movie. And then Orlando. Alright. This isn't quick. I have no patience for this. Okay, now it's gone. I didn't. There was no green flag.
A panther howled. Did you hear it?
I did hear that panther. Right, there was no green flash. It's a fable. It's a myth. It's an old wives' tale. It's a plot line for Pirates of the Caribbean. It's a name of a rest. Oh, I almost fell over. Sorry.
I mean, I gotta believe it. Sailors used to think manatees were women
Well,
You really got to question that green plastic.
you know how, no you don't. You know how delirious you get when you're super hot. Are you really that surprised?
I could never think a manatee was a human.
You couldn't?
No.
You're not starved for love. You wouldn't think a manatee was a mermaid?
No.
Alright. I'm just saying. When you start hallucinating.
I get
Because
it
you
with the
haven't
tail,
drank
but
water.
yeah, that's just really strange. I gotta say no. I think not.
He says that now.
Yeah, he says it now. He'll say it
You're
later.
never going to be put in that situation, so it really doesn't matter. You were kind of delirious yesterday. Got a little hot yesterday. Alright, we won. That's it. We're not going any further. There's too many people there. But the sun has set. We got a nice bag full of shells. Very happy with today's shelling adventure. Oh my god, where did all these people come from? That's called shark bait right there. That's called shark bait. That's fine. That's not good, but I don't know that there's only been like 1 or 2 shark attacks in Sanibel in the last 20 years, right? How many shark attacks? Not very many. So I'm sure they're pretty good. Yeah. People do catch sharks here. So anyway, I'm just going on and on. We are now delirious, is what we are. We are now delirious. Not saying anything important. Captiva shells, comparison between Sanibel and Captiva. It's a little different. We do prefer Sanibel, but Captiva, I will have to say, has more sea life, ocean life, manatees, dolphins. Look at those awesome pelicans, iguanas, mockingbirds, turtle doves, diving pelicans. And I am just delirious. It's been a long, long day. Thanks for watching. Hopefully tomorrow I can get some shelling in before the hurricane hits. Hopefully. Anyway, see you guys later.